Hello all, I am Dr. Archana Daftardar, consultant nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompally. Last topic, we were discussing about the access for dialysis, hemodialysis. So, we discussed about the temporary catheter. Coming to the permanent solution, because the temporary catheter cannot be placed for more than 4 to 6 weeks. And if the patient requires dialysis lifelong, we need an access which needs to be present permanently, at least for few months to few years. So, in this situation, the second access type is the permanent catheter. Permanent dialysis access. In that, first is the permacath or the permanent catheter. This is a specially designed catheter which is placed in the neck vein under local anesthesia, but it is put in the operation theatre with the fluoroscopic guidance, so that there is, with the specific technique, this catheter is tunneled into the vein, and there are two ports, exit ports, which can be used for in and out of the blood from the patient and towards the patient. So this is called as permacath, and it can be kept for 6 months to sometimes even 8 to 12 months also. In this situation also, whenever the catheter gets infected, we have to remove it irrespective of the duration of the catheter placement. Now, coming to the third modality of the access, which is called as AV fistula. AV fistula, arteriovenous fistula. As the name suggests, there is the artery and the vein are joined together, usually in the upper limb, either at the wrist or at the elbow, so that the veins in the hand or the upper limb are modified with the help of this AV fistula. The small veins which are present in the upper limb are matured over a period of time after the construction of AV fistula, and they become little bigger and thicker also. So it is easier to put the needle into these fistula veins, and the blood is drawn with desired blood flow and runs through the machine, and purified blood is again returned back to the body. So this is called as AV fistula. So in this situation, this fistula can remain with the patient for lifelong. So there are certain precautions which needs to be followed by the patient when he is undergoing the AV fistula. So let us see, when you meet your nephrologist regularly, before starting the dialysis, as before the dialysis stage arrives, your doctor will advise you to go ahead with AV fistula. So always remember to follow or give an special attention to the hint or to the advice which is given by your doctor, because AV fistula, once it is prepared, it takes at least 6 to 8 weeks to be ready. So that means immediately after the surgery, you cannot use AV fistula. There is some time required for the upper limb veins to develop or to become fit for the dialysis. So it is always better to get it done in advance, so that whenever there is a dialysis requirement, very smoothly the procedure can be done of the dialysis, and neck vein catheters, the groin vein catheters, or the temporary catheters, or the perm cath can be avoided in this situation. Thank you.